You can expect a lot from the 2020 Chevrolet Tahoe. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and much more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.